Big news. 100K. 100K subscribers. We know he'd be here.
Yeah.
Let's not act like we haven't been here before, you know? Yeah. Or actually, we haven't been here before, but let's not act like it wasn't expected, you know? Just kidding.
We have the best community, man.
It really do, but I mean, it was not expected, you know? I would still be happy if, like, we hit a milestone like 10,000, you know?
10,000 feels more.
Like, it feels like,
Yeah.
it feels like 10,000, you know what I mean? Like, cause like it's so, like 100,000 people, like, it feels like a lot of people, but it feels like we talk to everybody.
Yeah.
And it, you know what I'm saying, dude? So, it's like it feels very close-knit, even though it's a very big number. 상어.
상어. 어린이집가요?
꼬리도 있어.
추워. 어린이집가요? 네. 잘 갔다 와요. 네.
So good at talking now.
I was just talking to my wife this morning.
Yeah.
She was like talking about like, one of the parents at his friend, you know, the dad works at like a big company.
Yeah.
In Korea, you call it like a taegi-up, you know? And I've been watching this show called like something Mr. Kim. He works at a big company, but then he like decides to quit because they treat him like shit.
Okay.
You know, like a big company, any big company, whether it be Samsung or Ford, you know, or whatever it is, right?
Yeah.
Or General Motors or whatever, right? Like, what's the most amount of like percentage they have of the market, dude?
Yeah.
Like 5% is considered like a huge company, right?
Yeah.
5% of all the automotive or whatever, right? And then like, how many employees do they have? I don't know. So you're like 0.00001% of the whole 5%, you know?
Yeah.
Chania, jump. Ah. See the performance right there, dude? We've been preparing for that for a while, bro. Like, since he was born.
Yeah.
So it's all about preparation, you know? No one sees the 99%. Watch this, dude. He's been prepping. No, dude, not all day, bro. We went to like this development person, you know, like to see how well he's developed. And she was like, "Chanu, jump." And he was like, "What are you talking about, dude?" So ever since then, we've been trying to have him jump.
Okay.
That was probably like 10 months ago or something.
Okay. 안녕.
I'll be back.
All right. 안녕. It's pretty insane that we're at 100K, boys. Thank you so much for, you know, bringing us up here to this platform. Couldn't have done it without you.
My kid's so happy, dude. Cooked him up a hash brown.
Yeah.
So you know those square hash browns you get from McDonald's?
Yeah,
Put a piece of ham and cheese on top. Some ketchup. He fucking had a great time, dude. Yeah. Anyways. Doesn't that sound good?
Yeah.
I kind of wanted to eat it while I was feeding him.
Oh yeah.
Like, nah, he needs breakfast. Anyways,
Yeah.
let's get started. That car is holding so much shit, dude.
So much shit.
There's so much shit, bro.
If there's a leak, bro, it's game over.
Oh my God.
Whole street is over.
Oh my God, dude. Game over.
They get paid a lot.
Dude, if I were to have like a fucking, if I were to run like infrastructure or like as like a, what is this, like a mayor or something, you know?
Yeah.
I'd be like, dude, that's one of the most important jobs. Like, can you believe like us as like humans, the best invention that we've probably created is like sewers.
For real. Yeah.
Sewers, you know?
Yeah. Underestimated.
Like
Without
I was watching some like stuff like, dude, if you're still using like a hole in the ground or something, dude, you know how unmanageable that would be?
Wow.
Like the reason why population can be like this is because of the sewers, bro. And like that's how important like infrastructure is, even in code, you know?
Yep.
Like the inner workings, you know, like let's say like an app registry, you know, to register all the classes, like a broker or whatever. It's like all these communication things, and if something takes too long or something gets too dirty, it's gonna get unmanageable, you know?
That's true.
All right. You can get a hot one or a cold one?
Still gonna go with the cold.
Oh my, you just talked about how you're doing
I need to wake up, man.
you wanna do energy drinks today then?
No, we need a coffee, bro.
Coffee?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll do cold. You need to go. Appreciate that, bro.
Yeah. I'm going to celebrate lunch celebration today.
Yes.
안녕하세요.
Yeah.
네, 감사합니다.
It's quite expensive.
This one's expensive, the one we're going to.
Oh, really?
There's like different classes in, you know.
Shit. This is the double meat.
But I kind of wanted to get the go to the hotel,
Oh my god. Next
but
year.
next year.
250K.
It's like the hotel buffet is like
That's the real
it's
deal.
like $150 per person, USD, so like 200,000 won or something. Dude, do you
Ice
remember
cream
how
was the best part.
do you remember how busy it was?
That's the worst hour to go. I think you gotta go lunch,
I don't know.
right?
I mean that's they don't have as many menu items.
Right.
They'll just fill up on crab legs. Like we were saying, like the performance or the job is only what people see. And like to have real integrity, to have real preparation, you have to do a lot of work behind the scenes, you know? I don't know if I've ever told you guys, or I probably said this in the beginning, I haven't said it in a while. But I like when I was coding or like learning how to code and stuff, I never liked to show people I tried. But dude, trust me, like everyone knows
Yeah.
that I'm the guy that's like, when I'm drinking and stuff and having fun, I'm having fun, you know? When I'm feeling like I'm not enough or something behind closed doors, I'm reading like a demon, you know? I'm like reading documentation, trying things, breaking things, fixing things.
Yeah.
But that's how you get the image, like, I don't need to try to do this,
Yeah.
you know?
They don't know.
They don't, but I mean, that's the preparation,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Or like even a pastor at a church.
Yeah.
Their performance is on Sunday, and they can speak very deeply and connect because they've done all the studying and they've really like taken in the information
Yeah, for sure.
to like be able to like relate it or something like that, right?
Yeah.
Not to like say that, but like talk about religion or anything, but like there's so much preparation that goes into a performance or whatever, you know?
Yeah.
Like Floyd Mayweather, another example. If you guys can throw an example of how Floyd Mayweather is fucking amazing, throw it in the comments.
Yeah.
But it just goes to show like everybody, you know, every human is like not weak,
Yeah.
resilient as hell.
Exactly.
Every human is capable of everything, you know? Yeah, but everything's possible.
Yeah.
It just takes effort. And a lot of people think that like maybe the image that gets portrayed is what's real. But dude, nothing is real in real life. Like I mean, like on Instagram, nothing's real. YouTube,
Yeah.
nothing's really real. Except like, I guess like people like we're very raw, you know.
Yeah.
But performance-wise, everyone doesn't look like they want to try like super hard. Because if they fail, I don't know. For me, if I fail and I look like I tried, it like hurts. You know what I mean? But then like if I fail and I look like I don't try, maybe it looks like, oh, maybe I don't give a shit, you know? But actually I do give a shit.
Yeah.
So everyone tries behind closed doors, dude. Everybody.
You have to.
Don't fall into the trap of Instagram, dude.
Yeah.
Everybody with like a fucking six-pack, fucking 5% body fat. Dude, you know how much they're trying?
Yeah, dude.
Like, all the pretty girls that get like Instagram followers, you know how much they tried to like probably watch like makeup tutorials and all that kind of stuff? Everything takes effort, bro. That's like when I was young, like I'd watch a movie, and even if it was a bad movie, I'd talk to my friends and I'd like defend it by saying like, dude, you know how much effort went in and like to the movie?
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
true, yeah.
Just one production,
Yeah.
it takes like what are those things called, like where people draw out the scenes? Forget what it's called. If you know in the comments, please let me know. But storyboarding, yeah,
okay.
storyboarding, and it takes the directors like having an image. It's everything is an art. You know what I mean? In the end, Anyways, my name is Phil. I became a senior developer after the age of 30. I wrote my first line of code after the age of 30. And if you have any comment about things that you want to try and succeed at, let me know in the comments. Maybe it is coding. Maybe it is becoming the best race car driver ever. And, just remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. Coding saves lives.
Awesome.
And like, comment, share.
Yes.
No, I mean subscribe too. I think there's a library for this, or there is a library, but we're just gonna create our own for now. New folder. Let's call this app.broker.ts.
Cool.
Oops. App.broker.ts. And the reason why I'm naming them app is so that they'd all stay the same in the same place. And then let's do this. So we do a class app broker.
Yeah.
Constructor, and then we'll just do like this, and we'll do this dot events equals new map.
Best teacher, dude. ChatGPT.
It really is. And we'll just do events. There you go. And then we can go on event. There you go. So the event is a string and the listener is a function. And then just if this dot events, if the event has the event that I'm sending,
Yeah.
then we're going to this dot event set the events to, if it doesn't have it, then the events is gonna be empty array. I'm thinking, hold on. I think we can.
Will it be a problem later?
That's what I'm thinking. Hold on, that's what I'm trying to think. Import. We'll do it like this. There you go. Registry. Broker. Like this. Like this. There you go. And then we can actually export call items,
Yeah.
and we'll take the request and the res, and then we'll do something like this. Async const get items controller, and then this is going to be this dot registry get items, so that's going to get the items class, and then we're going to say items or items controller, and then we're going to do items controller dot, and then we can we have a dot list in here, and then we can pass the request and the res here, and we can actually call this, right? And then await, and that should. And then now if I say call items inside of the user's routes, so let's just create this route. And let's do a router.get on dot slash items. We have another, hold on, let's just do this real quick. Const, there you go. And then items controller broker.on, where are we emitting? Oh, it's token refreshed, sorry. And then we'll just token refreshed. And then now we have a full system where people are listening. And let's go auth HTTP. Let's refresh the token. And then down here, there's going to be a receive token event with payload test, right?
Nice.
So now we have a whole system where events are driven. So like some of this event-driven architecture or something, we can implement that.
Yeah.
Everything is cleaner with the registry. And this is kind of how we want the whole thing to be, right?
That's what's up.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna git status, git add, git commit, implement register services, controllers, and models, and broker.
Cool.
That's a cool feature that we added into the back end. Now it's like very complete.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Bill?
What's up, Damien? What's up, Julian? What's up, Mustafa? How are you? I haven't heard from you in a while, Mustafa. Guys, I mean, before everyone gets in here, you guys have been here for like you guys have been here and we're at 100K subs now. I don't know when you guys joined and what we were when we started, but this is a dream come true.
7.
I mean, you were here since I won.
Yeah.
Since negative.
And I
It
wait,
was only a family and friends channel.
what happened when I what the heck did I do? Hold on, Milos is here. I like just uploaded a video and Minnie and I were like, it would be cool if we just had 100 views. You know. But I mean, but we also said like even if you get 100 views, like just keep on doing it, and it will rise. So, just like let's not let it like deter us, because I remember we got like 100,000 views on the first video, and then like the next 2 videos I think they got like a couple thousand, and then like after that, it was back to the grind because it was like
There's no shortcuts in YouTube.
there was like 100 views, 200 views. We had to remove some. I remember.
We're just throwing stuff on the wall, dude.
Yeah.
What's up,
Good.
Milos? Thank you for being here. Hey, by the way, Julian, are you free next Monday?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I have an interview on Monday.
Oh.
Oh, let's go, dude.
Let's go. I don't know, like if you guys watch Vertical, like this like rock climbing thing about this like solo climber guy, but like there's this rock climber that climbed like Half Dome. There's like, and every year there's like a new rock climber that like pushes the limit, right? So like let's say like there was this path on rock climbing that was never done before, but then like one person does it, and then that next year like 10 people do it, and then and then there's like a new limit. So like I think just being like a group or this community, if we're shown that we can do something, then I feel that limiting belief or that barrier, we can like blast past that. And I think everything here like these are like these like terms like that are like limiting beliefs or barriers or something, and everything here is like if you like by yourself, I feel like you have this like limiting belief or this barrier that you have, but if you see other people pushing past that, why are you not in that position? And then we all collectively push past that barrier that person put before themselves. So I think just there are no limits. I was like talking to Minnie today, and it's just like I think like for me, like I like to like look like everything is easy. I don't try or whatever, or like I try, I guarantee you. But like when I code and stuff, I like to show like, oh, like you don't know that, or not like that, but I mean like to have that kind of personality, you have to have a lot of integrity and study on your own to get to that point. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
So it says redeem your silver creator award. Way to go on reaching 100K subs. Just never thought I'd be here.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So
Uppercase, like yeah.
does this look better? Like
No,
here?
no.
No?
Do
Can you preview?
do camel case.
Like Phil?
Yeah,
Like this?
that. Yeah, that's way better.
Or like this? Camel case or Pascal case like this?
No.
No?
Split it.
All right,
Yeah,
let
that's
let
good.
Phil. What? But lowercase. Coding's supposed to be a lowercase. Let.
I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't look that great.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
All right. New size. Click here to learn more. I have no idea. Language for Creator Award. Uses English.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, Mac is gonna do his class in the coaching call channel. Okay, if you guys want to attend the job hunt class right now, it won't take too long. It's like probably about 30 to 45-minute class, so please attend. I think it's very valuable, very helpful. So
Super valuable, and he knows a lot. Hello, Asher. And I'll take a screenshot right now, real quick.
yep.
With the creator in the background. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Thank you, everybody. And just remember, just keep on going. And love your background, Jocelyn. I'll talk to you soon. I'm always here. And anybody that just like needs to talk to someone or anything, just DM me. And I'm always be here. And we're all here together, pushing each other's limiting beliefs. and getting to where we want to go.
Yep.
All right.
Take care, guys.
All right, everybody.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
And it'll be interesting, and it's a good learning experience. Everybody.
100%.
Okay. Cool.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the code is like much more manageable now. Like you don't have to like move really big blocks of code, and you don't have spaghetti imports everywhere. Like everything is like there's like a system to everything, right? Anyways.
Yeah.
Ilya told me like I have to be the architect and everything, so it's just being here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I appreciate it. I'll study on it too. Cause,
Okay, cool.
Some of that went over my head, but I'll dive into it and ask you questions and stuff.
Yeah. Please DM me. Like I'm always down to give you like a lesson on the code that I'm writing because I understand it, or I'm putting it in the place so we can always follow like a way to do it. Because I think a thing that happens to a code base that gets really wrong is like there's no set way to do it, so you get kind of mad about how things are getting not mad, but like you're like, oh, I'm learning this way to do it or learning this way to do it. But then if there's like a set way to do something, we can all agree and it'll be fun. Anyways.
Yeah.
Cool, everybody. That's what I was working on, and then I think nothing new, but I think I would like to move the email creation to next week. I had a little blocker. I had like a lot of other stuff to do. Sorry. So.
No, not a problem.
All right.
Not a problem.
So we're sending like we're trying to invite like another user who's not like yeah, so it'd just be emails, so it'd be their email and then like probably a role and then
So we're gonna send them a password.
Exactly.
Yeah, or like a link.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Link that then gives them a chance to change the password.
Right now, all I'm thinking about in the task is, let's say you're on the dashboard as the admin, and then you want to send invite. You probably only need 2 inputs, right? The drop down and then email, right?
Okay, I see. Yeah, okay, I get what you're saying. Yeah.
And then so then you can press that. It's gonna send the email. When that happens, there need to be some validations, right? So we got to create that endpoint. So in that endpoint, we probably need to make sure that the email is not duplicate, right, everybody? And we need to make sure that the email is in a valid way. There is something called Mongoose Validator that I kind of want to start validating the parameters with. Or we can use Zod. So I would say just build it first because this is going to be like a validator that we're going to build that we can use on top. And then after that, we need to, I think we need to make another collection called, do you think we should make a collection called invites? Or do you think we should just put, when you invite someone, it goes straight into the user and then we just have it verified or not, right? Like this is
straight into the user. Just
straight
one
into the
table.
user. Okay, so we need to add it. We need to add another field called verified into their what is this called?
Like it could be like a status that says invited, and then it will say verified or something like that.
Okay.
It'll update.
That's cool. That's awesome.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes total sense. But yeah, for sure. We can do that, like status invited, or maybe later on you could put suspended. So maybe like a work, so we can have that kind of stuff later on. I think when we get this done, it's gonna be something that we can all look back and be proud of. And if anything else, I guarantee the code quality will be good, and you guys can just copy this and build on top of it, whatever you guys want. And so we'll have a nice piece of software no matter what at the end of the day.
Yeah.
100%.
So on the team, I think right now, just to get a roll call, we have Hyro, Finnegan, Gina, Akilin, and Song, right? And then Chris.
Yep.
So that's it? Okay.
That's it.
We do have another project coming up too, by the way. So we want to get on the lookout.
It's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah.
It's going to be a algorithm training thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Everybody. Later
Yep.
on.
Yeah.
All right.
Take care, guys.
Yeah.
All right, cool. That was like cool meeting. We got a lot of. I think everybody is excited about the Keynote code and what we're building.
Yep.
And talking to the accountant, doing this thing is kind of difficult.